Hi everyone, I am here with a very quick video and a huge apology. I took part in a challenge with the Crafting Shed Davies, and it was a key. You had to alter a key, and I did mine. I sent mine to Michelle Dobby, who received hers, and mine was sent to me excuse me, by Sue Harvey, the lovely Sue Harvey. Now, she sent this lovely key, which I'm going to show you. Is so talented, but she also made me a gorgeous card. Now, it was on the table. I'd received the package. I had Franny that day, and Franny knocked a drink over, and I didn't see it until after Franny had gone. So your card got wrecked. And I'm so upset because it was so beautiful, and I'm so sorry, Sue. I wanted to treasure it and use it somehow. It was so beautiful, and I tried to dry it off and it got wrecked. So I do apologise, and I'm sorry for the delay in showing the video. But look at this amazing altered key. Look, it's an old key, and look what she did to it. It is just stunning. It has this beautiful diamante flower on one side, these beautiful pearl string beads. Stop it, I'm trying to show something around the key shank, and then these beautiful pearl flowers along the side. Let me see if there you go. Look how gorgeous this is. And then it has these beautiful, this beautiful dangle on a chain, leaves, and look, ow, I'm trying to do something. Look at these, gorgeous. Look, I'm had enough now, because I really want to show this off. It is just absolutely stunning. I'll put it on there so you can see just how beautiful this key is. So talented, it is so beautiful. I won't use it as a key ring because I'm afraid I will break it, but I am going to. I have a box now of things for my craft room now. I don't know if we're moving now, so if we stay here, I'm probably going to revamp my craft room next year, and get new units and everything, and decorate all the walls. And I'm going to have a pride and place for every single thing. I have a couple of really beautiful handmade journals that have been gifted me. I have wall plaques and lots of goodies and wonderful gorgeous things and cards, and that's why I'm going to have a wall with all my goodies on, and this is going to take a place there somewhere because it is just beautiful. You are so talented, Sue. It's beautiful. Thank you also to Jane at the Crafting Shed Davies. Check her out, her channel, who ran this challenge. I'll put a link in the description to her channel as well. I've enjoyed it. It was so much fun. So there is the finished key. I hope you really like it, because I really love it, and I love the way she's turned it into a key ring. I didn't with mine, I just put tassels on, but it is just gorgeous. Please show her some love, because it is just beautiful. Right, I'm going to see you later, and yes, have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.